In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design of a Wix site menu and drop-down menu. Wix is an incredibly versatile platform for building websites, and customizing your menu designs is a great way to ensure your site aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Wix editor and select the menu you wish to customize. Once you have that menu selected, you'll want to click on the design icon that appears. This icon is your gateway to making all kinds of visual changes. After clicking on it, a new option called Customize Design will become available. Click on that to explore further. Here, you'll be presented with a few different design areas to focus on. Let's begin with the menu container itself. For the menu container, start by selecting what you specifically want to design. The first area to consider is the background fills. Here you can choose a color by simply clicking on the color box. You'll notice a slider below that lets you adjust the opacity, giving you control over how bold or subtle the color appears. Next, move on to borders. Clicking the color box allows you to select the borders color, and you can choose various border styles from a drop-down menu. The lock or unlock icon is particularly important. It determines whether all sides of your border maintain the same size or can be adjusted independently. Type the pixel numbers into the boxes provided to control the border sizes. If you want to adjust the corners of your menu, click the lock or unlock icon to decide whether the corners have the same or different sizes. Again, simply type your desired pixel number into the boxes to adjust the corner radius for that perfect look. If you're interested in adding depth to your design, you can click to add a shadow. There's also a slider to adjust the shadow's opacity and a box to further customize its appearance. You start by selecting a shadow color from the color box and decide whether it's an inner or outer shadow. Enter an angle in the box to set the shadow's direction, and use sliders to adjust distance, blur, and size as needed. Next, consider the layout options. Here, the lock/unlock icon will also feature, allowing you to choose if the padding should be consistent or varied in size. Enter pixel numbers to set the padding just right. Now, let's move on to customizing the menu items. Start by selecting the menu in the editor and clicking that familiar design icon, followed by Customize Design. Then select Menu Items. You'll have the choice to design these elements in one of three modes: regular, hover, or current page. Use the tabs to choose and customize the items to fit your design vision. If you have a drop-down menu container, the process is just as straightforward. Click on the design icon, then Customize Design. Select drop-down menu container and apply the same principles you used for the menu container. Finally, for drop-down menu items, you again start by selecting the menu in the editor, clicking the design icon, and hitting Customize Design. Choose drop-down menu items for similar options. Decide whether to focus on regular, hover, or current page mode, using the tabs available to tailor the design to your liking. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make your Wix site menu look truly unique and representative of your brand. Happy designing!